If your WhatsApp notification is not working, here's how you can fix it. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So then let's get started with the procedure. So there are a couple things you need to do in order to fix your notification. First of all, launch open WhatsApp. Let's check whether the notification is enabled in your WhatsApp or not. So for that, tap the three dot at the very top right hand side corner of the screen. A drop down menu appears. From the list, select Settings. As you go to Settings, you need to scroll down a bit. You could find Notification. Select it so. Now, right on this section, you want to make sure to toggle the button for conversation notification. You could also toggle the button for reminders. Then, you just want to make sure to go ahead and enable the notification tone. Once you've done this, you want to exit out of this page, close WhatsApp, open up settings on your device. Here, go to notification. When you go to notification, tap on app notifications and locate WhatsApp right over here. Select WhatsApp and make sure that the button is toggled on all WhatsApp notifications. You could also go to chats and make sure that you've enabled notifications as well. Next, you could go to others and you could also go ahead and make sure to toggle the button for these as well. Now that you've done this and still unable to receive notification on WhatsApp, you might want to make sure to check whether you've enabled DND or Do Not Disturb. So in order to check that, from the very home page, simply swipe down your quick panel or quick settings panel and make sure that Do Not Disturb is disabled. Select it so and select the Done button. Once you've done this, you might want to make sure to go ahead and update your app as well. So head over to your respective app store and type in WhatsApp. Here, you want to make sure to check whether you've updated your WhatsApp or not. By following these steps, you should definitely fix your notification not working on WhatsApp. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.